How about you video me? Video me, mommy, and post it to Facebook.
Already.
Let's get it out. Come on, post it to Facebook and video the photo.
Okay.
Woo!
Say something.
Hello.
Where are you now?
I'm at Coco Beach.
Where?
It's an island in the Philippines.
In?
It's in the Philippines.
How did you get there?
By boat and bus.
So how do you find the beach? Okay, sorry. Just keep saying something.
Coco Beach. Coco Beach. Welcome to Coco Beach. Basketball court, table tennis, and dive center, and lots of restaurants, and lots of rooms, and a beautiful beach. And you can do snorkeling here and scuba diving. And you can play ball at the playground, zip line, and play with the sand. Video the volleyball. No! Ew.
What are you gonna do?
Volleyball. Ew!
Sunblock.
Here comes your vain daddy.
There!
Sunblock.
There!